Hey, how's it going, Alexander? This is Devin Norton from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thank you for clicking on this video and thank you for speaking to me earlier today. I'm going to briefly show you how to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. There's a lot of business owners out there that don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that when I make these attack plans and give them away for free, some business owners just do this themselves, and some people call me back and have me do it for them. But either way, if you want to do this yourself, that's okay. If you want some help, give me a call and we can chat. I'm going to show you how to make yourself more of an authority, how to make yourself more trustworthy, and then how to get ranked in the local map pack rankings. So the reason why I have Isaac pulled up first, I typically would have your website pulled up first, but I couldn't find anything about you. I couldn't even find the original Craigslist ad that I found you on. I looked up your phone number on Craigslist. I couldn't find anything about it. So I don't know if you have a business name or how it works, but these concepts still work. So when somebody types in remodeling Tyler TX, Google's goal is to put them in front of the website that's going to answer all their questions, which is the website that typically has the most content or the most words on it. And so what you want to do to beat these guys is, you see they've got keywords in here like home remodeling contractor and Tyler. This is something that people would search up. You want to have that in there more times than your competitors, but you also want to have more content. So it looks like these guys have about 300 words on this page. So with your page, I would have about 1,000, if not 1,500 on your page. Also, whatever your image is saved as does count as content. So you see this image right here. Instead of footer logo, they should have that saved as like remodeling Tyler TX, and they don't. That's something where you can easily beat them. So that's how you make yourself a priority or an authority, is having more content and then having the right saved keywords. After that, you're going to want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off of how many other websites are linking to you. Keep in mind they want to see relevant links, so you're going to get a lot more power from other like remodeling companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. And so the tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So you might want to invest in it. Isaac LLC, it says that they have 13 websites linking to them right now. Super easy to beat. You literally would have to get 15 to 20 to blow them out of the water. And I would just go copy them. So whatever websites are ranking for them will rank for you too. You just go to these different websites. There's usually like a contact us button. You ask for a link. But if you end up outranking these guys with not only content but also domains, you take their traffic. These guys have 130 people visiting this page every single month. Imagine how much business that would be for you, right? It'd be a ton. Last thing is when somebody types in remodeling Tyler TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first contractor that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that contractor. Those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from bad experiences in the past, or they just have ad blockers, what have you. And so the best place to rank yourself is the Google My Business section. To get here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all the most common ones. Best strategy here is to figure out what directories these competitors are listed in. List yourself in those same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. So like if this old house here is in 100 directories, put yourself in 150. That's all I've got for you, Alexander. I hope you found this informative. As a quick recap, when you get your website up, you're going to want to put about 1,500 words on it. You're going to want to have more than Isaac when it comes to referring domains or backlinks. I'd recommend getting about like 20 pointing to you. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. If you want to take this information and do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Just send me back some feedback and let me know if you thought this was valuable info. And if you do want some help taking care of all this stuff so you can continue running your business, you can always give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. It's right here above my head, right over here. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, Alexander, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.